Timber! Well, you saw a tree falling, but you didn't hear one falling. Can you think how I made the sound effect? Watch again and listen. Timber! How do we make the sound effect? Well, there are actually 3 sound effects, one after the other. The first one, the shouting the word timber, I simply took an ice cream container and shouted as loud as I could into that to give it a sort of echoey sound as if I were a long way in the forest. Timber! Like that. The second noise was the branches breaking as the tree fell, and also as it broke the branches and twigs of surrounding trees. To get that effect, I took a styrofoam cup and crushed it between my hands. And did that close to the microphone of my cassette recorder. And the third sound, the crashing onto the ground of that enormous tree, was made, surprisingly enough, by blowing a gentle puff of air into the microphone like so. So that when you play the recording back, it sounds something like this. Like a tree crashing. So put those 3 sound effects together, and it seems as if you're out in the forest watching that tree falling. So there's yet another little sound effect that you can try at home.